How to fix Bluetooth not connecting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Bluetooth not connecting. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to do is you will first need to check your Bluetooth. So swipe down from the top and go to your control center where you'll find your Bluetooth. Make sure you've turned it on. And even after it's turned on, if it's not connecting, you might have to turn it off and then turn it on again. This is basically restarting your Bluetooth connection. So do that and check if it's working or not. After you've turned it on again, you'll also need to ensure that both your devices are in pairing mode. So, for example, if you're using your headphones, speakers, car system, or anything, make sure it is in active pairing or discovery mode. So after you've done that, and even after that it does not work, you might have to restart your device. So try to restart both of the devices. So you can press on the power up, volume up and the power button together, and you'll find the restart button, restart it, and then try to pair your Bluetooth again. So restarts can fix simple glitches, and it can help fix the issue as well. If it does not work, what you'll need to do is you'll just need to head over to your settings, go to connected devices. From here, find the device that you were previously trying to connect to. Then tap on the settings. Then forget it. Confirm this. And now try to pair it again. And doing those should fix your problem, guys, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.